Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today on Simply Mercy B, we are making a lobster and shrimp bisque. This is so easy and simple to put together. Let's take a look at our ingredients. You want to start by dicing your onion to measure out 2 tablespoons. Now let's work on our shrimp. I have 6 medium-sized shrimp that I'm going to take each one and cut into thirds. I have a fully cooked lobster that I'm going to deshell and cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. Finally, we're going to grate 4 ounces of Swiss cheese and we're ready to put our bisque together. To my right, I have my butter and my onions sauteed. And now here I'm seasoning up my shrimp with some Cajun seasoning, and we're going to add those to our butter and our onion. You want to saute your shrimp in your butter mixture for 3 to 4 minutes or until they're no longer pink. Then we're going to remove those from the pan and set those aside. Turn your heat down to a medium-low, add your milk to the pan, and then add your softened cream cheese. You want to stir this mixture together continuously until melted. Our cream cheese has melted. Now you want to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. It's looking good already. We're almost done. And we're going to mix this well together. Okay, it's time to season our bisque. We're going to start with some Cajun seasoning, and that's about 1/4 teaspoon. You're going to go in with some Cajun seasoning, and we're going to give it a good stir. Here we have a tablespoon of tomato paste, and this is going to give our bisque that beautiful color. I have 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry. We're going to add that right in, because what's a good bisque without sherry? Now it's time to introduce our lobster and our shrimp to the bisque. We're going to add those and get those well incorporated into our sauce. You want to make sure you taste your bisque along the way to make sure your flavors are to your liking. If you are enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. We're going to go ahead and add our grated Swiss cheese to our bisque. We just adding another layer of flavor. And if you want to wow your guests, this is the dish to make. And today I am serving mine with garlic toast. Add some parsley to your dish and we're ready to plate. Guys, this is a winner. You want to keep this one in your rotation. And I ask you to please join me midweek. I have another delectable dish that I will be showing you that you will really enjoy. And until next time, keep life simple and we will see you on the next one. Bye.